With that amazing run chase, the scoreline says it is 13-1. Welcome to the post-match presentation of Rosemurg NMPL Season 4. Proudly presented by Mazgaon Cricket Club. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to the NMPL committee for the remarkable hosting of this spectacular Season 4 of Rosemurg NMPL. An outstanding tournament organized by Mazgaon Cricket Club and approved by Mumbai Cricket Association. Big thanks to our sponsors, title sponsor Rosemurg Limited, official streaming platform Waves OTT and DD Sports. Associate and team sponsors Vashi Warriors, Monarch Net Worth Capital Limited, Thane Tigers, Sukra Pharmaceuticals, Belapur Blasters, Jojo Limited, Amarnath Avengers, Emirates Holding Group, Copper Kerne Titans, Sarvamangal Equity Assets Management Private Limited, Sanpada Scorpions, Srimad Bhagwat Assets Management LLP, Meera Bhander Lions, Moda, Oroma Ventures Private Limited, Kalyan Tusker Zest, 1 point always. As you all know about the result, it was a wonderful run chase and Tigers won this game by 6 wickets. Now it is time to introduce our post-match presentation party. Starting from my left, we've got Mr. Purvesh Selatkaroya from Rosemurg Limited. And then we have got Niti Trivedi ma'am over here, co-founder of Pezon. Then Mr. Amit Singh, the founder of Pezon. Thank you for being over here, ladies and gentlemen. First, can we have Kevin, the captain of Avengers? Kevin, you had that score on the board. Parth played a good hand, got the fastest 50 of the league, but I think somewhere the fielding and the bowlers disappointed you.
Yeah, you're right. We got a good score on the board, but this is a learning curve for the team, so it's hard to take a loss like this, but it's a good match to play.
And what's the positive you're taking from this game?
Definitely, batting on this wicket, batting first, we got at least 30 runs more than we wanted, and the batters really did their job really well, posted a good score on the board, but maybe the bowling and the fielding let us down today.
All the best for your future game. Can we have the winning captain, Parikshit? When that score was 187 on the board, you thought that you leaked somewhere 30 runs extra?
Yeah, we might have leaked 25-30 runs extra, but as I told at the toss that we were very confident to chase the target against any opposition on any wicket we can chase. We have that depth in our batting lineup.
What do you have to say about Shashwat and then the impact player Siddharth? What a knock those two batters played.
Yeah, they really paced their innings brilliantly. The way they played, the way they took singles and doubles, they were running between the wicket was too good. So it was very nice to see them winning the match for us.
And talk about your shot, the winning shot.
And it was just a shot that I just watched the ball and hit them.
Well done, all the best for future game. Now it is time to hand over the player of the match. And this goes to the man who really made impact, Siddharth Akre. 84 runs of 45 balls. 5 sixes, 7 fours. First a trophy will be handed to him by Purvesh sir. Then Niti ma'am will hand over him the sunscreen from Zixa Strong over here. Then Amit sir will hand over him the nutrition from Sculptor Nutrition over here. What a knock he played. Siddharth. When you were sent in to bat, your opener went in the first over. And as an impact player you were sent in, you made a really amazing impact in the game.
Yeah, the plan was simple. First of all, the wicket was not easy to bat on. So plan was simple to wait for the loose deliveries and to take carry forward the game, make partnership, and then I believe in myself. We had a good batting order, deep batting order. So yeah, if we could have take bat long order, so we could have finished it off.
Do you think somewhere your wicketkeeper batter Shashwat made life a little bit easier for you in that partnership?
Of course, he was batting well, and then he gave faith to me. The way he played in the power play, that helped me. The way he batted the flow. So yeah, we got power play well. So yeah, it helped me.
Was that 100 running in your mind? Because team needed 14 and you needed 16.
Not really. Actually, I didn't know what score I was batting on. So yeah, not really.
Well done. All the best for entertaining everyone. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That is all from this post-match presentation. See you tomorrow morning.